I highly recommend coming on campus to see our buildings, how the students interact with teachers, and like all of our extracurriculars that you can be involved in.
It's very normal to feel nervous going into your first college experience, but know that there's plenty of people around you to help you, and plenty of other people who are experiencing it for the first time as well to kind of create a community around you.
Even if you have a slight interest in it, you should definitely try it out because you're gonna meet some people, make some friends, and probably have a blast and want to continue on doing it.
There's so many different things to kind of express your creativity throughout campus. So whether that be if you're more interested in that fine arts, there's so many clubs you can join. There's so many different groups on campus. If you're into sports but you don't want to be on a collegiate team, then there's intramurals that you can be a part of and you can just have fun with your friends, exercise, play some games that you really enjoy.
One of the best environments I've ever been in. I mean, there's chapel every day, which I love going to. Like, it's not mandatory by any means, but that means that everyone who is there wants to be there and truly has a desire.
They talk about family, but then it's one thing to experience how that feels.
There's always something bright about the day, whether it be friends that are there to support you, whether it be a professor that just randomly checks in on you. This is a great place to be.